with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're doing an experiment where we're going to compare wet blast to dry blast, and we are going to remove a coating. The cutting tool that we're going to use today is coated with black oxide, and as many of you may know, removing this coating can be very challenging. So we started with glass bead in a wet blast cabinet, and as you can see, it cleaned the surface very nicely. However, it did not remove the coating. In comparison, we did the same trial in the dry blast cabinet where we used glass bead, and again, the surface is very clean, but it does not remove the coating. So when stripping a coating, aluminum oxide is usually the most popular choice. Therefore, we blasted both parts again in aluminum oxide. Now, because of the cutting edge of the aluminum oxide, this was able to remove the coating without a problem. When you compare the finishes between both wet and dry with using aluminum oxide, the wet blast tends to have a more pleasing appearance than the dry. I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen today. If you have any application suggestions, any content suggestions, or any general questions, we would love to help you out. Give us a call at 828-202-5563. And again, always like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Remember, when you share content, you earn a chance to win, and thank you for watching.